Python versus Java versus JavaScript. Beginner level. Introduction. There are many programming languages available today, but three of the most widely used are Python, Java, JavaScript. Each language is used in different areas of software development and has its own strengths. Understanding the differences between these languages helps beginners choose the right language. Based on their goals, these languages power many modern technologies including websites, mobile applications, artificial intelligence, enterprise systems. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language known for its simple and readable syntax. It is widely used for artificial intelligence, data science, automation, web development. Example Python code. Print. Hello world. Why Python is popular. Checkmark very beginner friendly. Checkmark simple syntax. Checkmark large ecosystem of libraries. Checkmark widely used in AI and machine learning. Many beginners start with Python because it is easy to learn and easy to read. What is Java? Java is a powerful object-oriented programming language used for building large-scale applications. It is commonly used in enterprise software, Android mobile apps, back-end systems, banking systems. Example Java code. Public class main, public static void main, string, args, opening curly bracket, system.out, println, hello world, closing curly bracket, closing curly bracket. Why Java is popular. Checkmark strong object-oriented design. Checkmark high performance. Checkmark large industry demand. Checkmark platform independence through the JVM. Java is often used in large enterprise systems and back-end services. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is the main programming language used for web development. It runs inside web browsers and allows websites to become interactive. Example JavaScript code. Console.log. Hello world. JavaScript is used for front-end web development, back-end development, Node.js, mobile apps, real-time applications. Why JavaScript is popular. Checkmark runs in every web browser. Checkmark essential for web development. Checkmark huge ecosystem of frameworks. Checkmark used for both front-end and back-end. Key differences. Feature Python Java JavaScript. Difficulty easy medium easy. Typing dynamic static dynamic. Execution interpreted compiled to bytecode. JVM. Interpreted. Main use AI. Data science. Automation enterprise applications web development. Performance moderate high moderate. Each language serves different development needs. Syntax comparison. Python. Name equals Alice. Print. Name. Very simple and readable syntax. Java. String name equals Alice. System.out, println. Name. More structured and strict. JavaScript. Let name equals Alice. Console.log. Name. Flexible and commonly used for web applications. Where each language is used. Python. Used in artificial intelligence, data analysis, machine learning, automation scripts. Back-end web development. Example tools. TensorFlow, Django, Flask. Java. Used in enterprise back-end systems, banking software, Android apps, large distributed systems. Example tools. Spring Boot, Hibernate. JavaScript. Used in websites, web applications, interactive user interfaces, real-time applications. Example tools. React, Node.js, Angular. Real-life analogy. Think of programming languages like tools for different jobs. Python is like a multi-purpose tool. Easy and flexible. Java is like heavy machinery. Powerful and structured. JavaScript is like a web design toolkit. Perfect for building websites. Each tool is useful depending on the task. Advantages of Python. Checkmark very beginner friendly. Checkmark clean and readable syntax. Checkmark strong AI and data science ecosystem. Checkmark large community support. Advantages of Java. Checkmark high performance. Checkmark strong object-oriented architecture. Checkmark platform independence. Checkmark widely used in enterprise systems. Advantages of JavaScript. Checkmark essential for web development. Checkmark runs in browsers without installation. Checkmark full stack development capability. Checkmark massive ecosystem. Which language should you choose? Your choice depends on your goals. Choose Python if you want to learn artificial intelligence, data science, automation, beginner-friendly programming. Choose Java if you want to build enterprise systems, Android apps, large backend systems. Choose JavaScript if you want to build websites, web applications, interactive user interfaces. Simple definition. Python, a beginner-friendly language widely used in AI, data science, and automation. Java, a powerful object-oriented language used in enterprise and backend systems. JavaScript, the primary language used to build interactive websites and web applications. Final summary. Python, Java, and JavaScript are three of the most popular programming languages today. Checkmark Python, best for beginners and AI development. Checkmark Java, best for enterprise and backend systems. Checkmark JavaScript, essential for web development. Each language has its own strengths, and learning any one of them can open the door to software development and technology careers.